You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words in English. The top word here is a person with who you work or somebody works with. A colleague, league. Colleague. Stress on the first syllable. You got this? Colleague. The bottom word is where you go to study, like a university. It's pronounced in English as college. College. Stress on the first syllable as well. So let's summarize. Colleague versus college. Could you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.